Switching the controller between left and right sides. Let me show you how to switch the controller from one side of the wheelchair and secure it in place. First, use the scissors to cut the original cable ties. Remove the controller from the wheelchair. Place it on the wheelchair for later. Lift the armrest by operating the release switch. Use the hexagon wrench to unscrew the bolts under the armrest. Take off the fixing bracket and put it aside. Lift the armrest by operating the release switch. Fit the bracket and its original screws onto the armrest where you want to move the controller. Tighten the screws until the controller will be fixed. Install the controller under the armrest. Tighten the screws to fix the controller. There's one final step. Adjust the wires to the right length. Secure them with new cable ties. And trim off any excess parts of the ties. Then the controller switch is complete.